Hello, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing guide for those looking to manage their YouTube data more efficiently. We'll explore how to activate Data Saver mode in the YouTube app for a smarter and more economical streaming experience. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your device. Please make sure you are signed in to your account for these changes to take effect. First, in the lower right corner of the screen, click on the profile picture, and then on the new page, you will look for the Settings icon. It is usually represented by a gear or 3 dots. Touch it to open the Settings menu. Within the settings, find the Date Saving option and click on it. Here, we will reveal the option to activate Data Saving mode. Look for Data Saving mode or a similar option. This is where the magic happens. Turn on the switch next to Data Saving mode to enable it. This mode adjusts video quality to preserve data without compromising your viewing experience too much. And there you have it! Activating Data Saver mode on YouTube is a simple yet effective way to make your data go further. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to learn about YouTube, or thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. Until next time, happy streaming with Data Saver mode.